Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Daily English Dose with Timna, and you are watching Present Continuous Tense episode 2. Point number 7. Negative sentences. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences. The formula is subject plus am is, are, plus not, plus verb ing. We simply add not after am, is, or are. For example, I am not sleeping. She is not cooking. He is not working. We are not watching television. They are not playing. We can also use short forms. So, I am not becomes I'm not. He is not becomes he isn't. She is not becomes she isn't. They are not becomes they aren't. For example, I'm not sleeping. She isn't cooking. He isn't working. They aren't playing. Very easy. Point number 9. Negative sentences drill. Let's practice. I'll give you a sentence, change it into a negative sentence. So let's begin. She is studying. Your answer. Yes, she isn't studying. Good. Next, they are playing football. Your answer. They aren't playing football. Excellent. Next, he is sleeping. He isn't sleeping. Very good. Next, we are watching television. We aren't watching television. Perfect. I'm working. I'm not working. Excellent. Now point number 10. Making questions. Now let's learn how to ask questions. This is very important in everyday English. For questions, we move am, is, or are to the beginning. The formula is am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing. For example, are you studying? Is she cooking? Is he sleeping? Are they playing? Are we learning English? Notice the difference. Statement. Statement. You are studying. Let's make it into question. Are you studying? She is cooking. Is she cooking? We simply move is or are to the beginning. Now let's move point number 11. Questions drill. Now I'm going to give you a statement. Turn it into a question. Ready? You are watching television. Your question. Are you watching television? Correct. Next, she is reading a book. Now your turn. Is she reading a book? Good. They are playing football. Are they playing football? Excellent. He is working. Is he working? We are studying English. Are we studying English? Great job. Now, point number 12, short answers. Now let's learn short answers. Question: Are you studying? Positive answer: Yes, I am. Negative answer: No, I'm not. Notice something. We don't usually say, Yes, I'm studying. A short answer is, Yes, I am. Now, is she cooking? Positive: Yes, she is. Negative: No, she isn't. And are they playing? Positive: Yes, they are. Negative: No, they aren't. Let's practice. Question: Are you learning English? Yes, I am. Question: Is he sleeping? No, he isn't. Question: Are they playing football? Yes, they are. Excellent. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something new and useful. In our next video, we'll explore more important points and take our learning to the next level. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving. Stay healthy, stay happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.